Hello, everyone. Okay. Welcome to my channel. The topic that I will be going to discuss to you today is about finding the inverse of a rational function. Okay. Finding the inverse of rational function is a bloody task because of its long solution. And so I create this video to give you the tricks on how to solve the inverse of a rational function in just 10 seconds. Okay, let's go. Okay. So the constant term is stationary and the linear term in the denominator is also stationary there. And then we will be going to swap the linear term in the numerator and the constant term in the denominator. Meaning, this constant term will become the linear term in the numerator, and this linear term will become the constant term in the denominator, and then change the sign like this. Okay? This is stationary. This will be swapped to the linear term. And so therefore, that will be negative 7x. Change the sign. Okay. And then negative 8. And then bring down x because it is stationary there. And then uh, the 3x or the linear term in the numerator will be the constant term in the denominator. You change the sign. So negative 3. That's it. That's already the inverse of that function. Okay, let us do another one. Okay. Again, the constant term in the denominator will be swapped to the linear term in the numerator. Okay. So therefore, this constant will become the linear term in the numerator and change the sign. So that will be 11x stationary. Okay. And then stationary. Okay, then this will become the constant term in the denominator. Change the sign, negative 2. Okay, okay, again, this will be there. Okay, negative 5x, stationary 3x, linear term will become constant negative 8. That's it. And then the other one, okay, this will become linear in the numerator. Change the sign. Negative 7x stationary. Stationary. Okay. And then, okay, stationary linear term will become constant. Okay. In the denominator. So negative 6. Stationary. Positive. That's easy. Okay. So if you like uh, the tricks that I presented to you, please support me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please hit also the notification bell so that you will be updated with all the videos that I will be going to upload. Okay, thank you very much and God bless you all.